Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to include several links within an image using image maps. So let's get started. So firstly, I have just created a project using Vite. If you don't know what Vite is, it's okay, just create an HTML file. That's all you will require, and you will require an image. And for this image I have just taken this map of this map image, but you can take whatever you feel like. So basically what I'm doing is, if I click on Massachusetts, it should open that particular thing, whatever you have linked, inside a new tab. If I click on Connecticut, then it should open it inside a new tab, but different link. Similarly for Rhode Island, it should open something inside something new, which is not same as Massachusetts or Connecticut, inside a new tab. So yeah, that's what I will be doing. So if you see my HTML, all I have done is that I'm just displaying our image, that's it. Okay, and if you see my output, this is my this is my output. So nothing really happens when I click on the image. Now to make this, to embed different links in this particular image, what you can do is that you can go to this particular website, www.image-map.net. then you will have to select an image. So just click on select image from PC and just select this, select whatever image you want. So I have selected this particular image. Now I want to add one for Massachusetts, one for Connecticut, and one for Rhode Island, but you can add it for other parts as well. I don't want to bore you guys with that. So first, the first shape I am taking is of a rectangle shape. So what I can do, I can just click over here, then I can click over here, then I can just okay, so this is not working, so I will just click over here as well. Okay, it's not working, so I can just drag it, I don't need to click it, sorry, because it's a rectangle. So here you can see I can move it like this. If I want, I can just do it like this. Okay, so here this is done. Now for Massachusetts, once user clicks on it, I want to open this particular URL, right? You can enter your own URL, whatever you feel like. I will just paste that particular link. Title I will just give it as Massachusetts, and how you want to open it, underscore blank. Then I will add a new area. Then here I will just select poly, because I want to show you that, then I'll select, click over here. So sorry, make sure you have selected poly over here, then click over here, click over here, because this is a polygon, right? So we can create whatever shape you want, so something like this. Then I'll click over here, then I can drag this as well, drag this as well. I think polygon is what most people will prefer. Okay, so here you can change this to, oh sorry, this has messed up, so I can just drag and drop again over here. Okay, so something like this. Again I will give it some link of Connecticut, and here I will just name it as Connecticut as well. And again the target will be blank, because the target which we give to an anchor tag, that's what this is. Again I'll click on add a new area. I will select this first, then I will click on circle, and here I will just click over here and click over here. So it has drawn a circle for me. If you want, you can expand it as well. So it's up to you how you want to do it. Now again I'll just give this particular link. Okay, I'll copy this, I'll paste it over here, and here I will just paste this as the title, and this as underscore blank. Now I'm done with this. If you want, you can add it on more other places as well. This is fine for me. I'll just click on show me the code. So I will just copy all the code which it has given. Okay, and I will paste it over here. So now if you see, we already have this image. I have already written this, so I don't need to write the image tag again, but you have to use this use map thing, which I don't okay, this was from my practice, but typically you won't have it right this like this, right? Because then you will have to just copy this use map, and you can just remove this image tag which we got from the code, and you can use it like this. Okay, rest ignore this all part, it has been handled from that image map thing. We don't have to worry too much about all this stuff. Now if I just go to my output, I will just refresh, and here if I click on Massachusetts, here you can see it is opening that. If I click on Connecticut, here you can see it is opening that, and if I click on Rhode Island, it will open that as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.